Hey everyone, it's Chad, and today we are going to laser etch 4 different glasses with 4 different methods. I had a few recommendations from people on the internet who said they tried this method or that method, and I couldn't get any consensus on what was the best method, so I thought I would try them out myself, and I'm going to share that with you right now. Well, there you go. I would not say that this is an exhaustive test. Probably the best thing to have done was to do 4 of each style using 1 of each of the different methods. And the reason I say that, after thinking about it, this glass is fairly thick. The finish is amazing, and I just used the soap on that. I like that a lot. The cleanup was really easy. This one we used the masking tape. The finish feels pretty good. It cleaned up fairly easy. There was a little bit of picking at the tape to get it off, but so not quite as easy as the soap, but not too bad. Then there was the wet paper. This one, again, this glass is super thin, so I'm not really sure if it had something to do with the glass, but I can definitely feel some roughness on this. But the actual finish looks really good. I was pretty happy with it, but the cleanup super easy. The wet paper towel, I mean, can't get much easier than that. I think that maybe if I hit that with a scouring pad, it maybe get a little bit less rough. And then the blue tape gives a really nice finish, and the logo, other than the fact that I need to use what's called the envelope method to create a logo that was more proportional. With the curvature of this glass, it definitely squeezed in on the bottom part of the logo. So besides that, the actual logo and the look of the logo looks really good to me. The smoothness is really nice. But I will say this, that blue tape is a mess. If you watch in the video, you'll see little pieces of smoke or soot just kind of flying everywhere inside the laser. And for me, if I'm doing 20 of these, that's a lot of mess to clean up. I'm not real excited about that. So take the pluses and minuses based on what I said. I'll probably be posting more on my Instagram page, giving a little bit more in-depth analysis as I go through some more cups. The biggest thing I wanted to do was, the intention when I first started doing this was not just to do glass, but to do a lot of varied sizes of glasses. And I was really testing the Rotoboss. I wanted to make sure that that Rotary was going to do everything that I needed it to do. And I have to say, without exception, it absolutely surpassed my expectations. So other than the fact that I need to learn how to adjust my image size, and since I did this one, I did some conferring with a good friend of mine, and he actually gave me kind of a step-by-step on how to do that. If that's something that you guys would be interested in, please drop a note down in the comments. I'd be happy to answer those questions, and I'll even be happy to do a video on that method of showing the difference between this logo without adjusting the image and what I can actually do when I do the adjusted image in the software prior to loading it in the laser. That's all I have for today. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you really like this content, please hit the subscribe button. Also, hit that bell, because if you just hit the subscribe button, you may not get every notification. And as always, have a great day.